Alright, that's steering.
Vertical or this way? This way.
Oh, this is fucking lovely. That's pulling the thing in.
You have to spin around pretty quickly.
You reckon?
Yeah.
So just snap it round.
You gotta snap it while you're moving. Oh, hasn't got. Hasn't got a lot of freeboard. That's under. That front's under. It's under. Come back.
Shit. Shit.
That went under. Too fast. You're losing your rigger. I can fill the rigger with foam.
How do I come back?
Very soon. The problem is if you go fast, the front goes down. I don't know why.
If I go into the wind, how the fuck do I go that way?
If you lose your rigger, you're going over, aren't you? I'd imagine so. That fills up in water. There you go.
Shit! Shit. I didn't see that coming.
I did.
What am I doing now?
Right in the middle.
Oh, fuck!
How deep do you reckon it is? You know what you should have brought?
Just watch where it is.
I can see, yeah, it won't move. I'll keep looking. It's straight at that chair
Yeah.
from me.
Just kick. Yeah, kick that.
You need a rock with a rope. You got anything in your pockets?
Oh, I have my pocket knife.
Yeah.
Oh, don't leave where we are though.
No, I know where it is. How deep do you reckon it is?
Should have
It's
fun.
deeper than the boat. Within about 2 metres. Yeah, goes slightly left. Nah, slightly left. Yeah, nah, yeah, in between the two. Just having a dip. He's visual. About there, stop. Slightly back. You don't need to swim at all. Left more. He's a little boat.
Little boat?
Yeah.
Yeah, a little remote control boat.
Oh. Good for you.
It's maiden voyage and it's gone.
I reckon back towards me. Like, you're pretty close though.
There's man-eating turtles in there. They eat toes.
Do they?
Love toes.
They can have them. Oh, there it is. I can see it.
Well done. Oh, it's a nice one.
The remotes just did something.
Yeah, well, it's still on. I don't know how to turn it off. How's this go off? Yeah, it's off. It's off now. Yeah, that was when it went faster, the nose dug in.
Yeah.
Oh, a lot.
I hadn't thought about that much. Ooh.
Yeah, well, I suppose if the wind's from behind, there's nothing changing it